Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 24th day of September 2025. And we just got done with the live trading room. And this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others as well. And it is a beautiful, beautiful signal referring back to our um, strong candle indicator, the little red arrow saying take this trade short. And in this case, take it immediately. It's pushing off the trend line. We're going to put a trade on outside called a cover order. And if it retraces, we'll take the cover order and put it on the bottom of the body of the candle. But this look, we've seen this before, step and trend and just getting started and smooth. This is going to go brilliantly. We expect the next candle to be anywhere between 40 and 80 ticks long. So we'll use our 16, 30, and 60 tick ATM. And this is what it looked like in the room today. Yeah, we didn't get a chance to move it. So first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure point, and then we wait for the trade. It doesn't take long to do. I can speed it up, but if I remember properly, it hesitates and then just runs like mad. Now notice our first target got taken out. Our stop came to a break-even position. And if we get to a break-even position, we can put a new trade on if we wanted to. But it just keeps us from getting when there's times where the market doesn't do exactly what we expect, goes against us, we eliminate that possibility after our first target's hit. All right, here we go up on our second target. So 16s and 31s are out, and we'll speed it up just a tad. If I remember right, it just spikes down, takes out our target, and that's the end of it. Brilliant. That trade right there took a little more, a minute and a half to complete. A minute and a half to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in a minute and a half and 90 seconds, then come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator that you won't find anywhere else. So I look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.